Welcome to Cutting Edge Wood Technology, where humans and machines unite to conquer nature's giants. Witness the inspiring power of the automatic wood processing process and the unmatched strength of chainsaws. This is the ultimate wood battle. F101 timber harvester boasts a powerful 150 horsepower engine, combined with an automatic cutting and lifting system. With its efficient wood processing capability and flexible mobility, the machine optimizes productivity, making it easy to work in hard-to-reach areas. Faced with a challenging situation, BMC Rescue confronts the unavoidable forest road dust. First, they stabilize the road with lime, then use a powerful tractor to rescue the stuck truck. With its strong engine and superior towing capacity, the tractor helps the vehicle get unstuck quickly, even in difficult conditions. If you're passionate about powerful heavy-duty trucks that transport wood, share your thoughts in the comments. Oh no! The overloaded timber truck is struggling as it sinks deep into the ground. At this moment, the help of the powerful D85 ESS tracked vehicle is essential. The tracks provide excellent traction, allowing the truck to escape this difficult situation. The Prinoth Raptor 500 forestry grinder, with its powerful engine, easily handles tough oak stumps and clears vegetation completely. Its sharp cutting system and advanced technology ensure efficient, quick operation, optimizing the forestry harvesting process. With advanced technology, the Carlton 7015 TRX stump grinder, equipped with a powerful engine and sharp cutting system, can grind an oak stump in just 7 minutes. Designed for quick and efficient processing, the machine saves time and effort, easily clearing tree stumps. Thanks to modern technology, the Dopstat DW 3060K and AK 635 railroad tie cutters, equipped with a 440 horsepower engine, easily handle tough railroad ties. The precise cutting system enhances work efficiency, saving both time and energy. The incredible power of the Good 28,660-pound DHH 1113 TES wood splitter allows it to effortlessly conquer massive oak logs. Its powerful engine and sharp cutting blades are key to the machine's outstanding performance, ensuring optimal speed and precision in timber processing. The newly equipped hydraulic system on the WM1000 optimizes material handling and processing efficiency. Thanks to its powerful engine and advanced technology, the machine operates smoothly, delivering high precision and saving significant time. The Woodcracker, the U1350. Wood Splitter features a powerful 120 horsepower engine, allowing you to split thick logs quickly and easily. Its intelligent design optimizes the wood processing process, delivering exceptional efficiency while saving both time and effort for the user. A team of craftsmen is cutting down a large Zelkova tree, estimated to be 600 years old. They are using a powerful chainsaw to cut each log, while a crane supports the heavy trunk, ensuring safety and precision throughout the process. The Gen's 582 man-wood waste grinder, equipped with a powerful engine, is designed for efficient wood waste processing. It can grind large, tough wood pieces, delivering high performance and saving time. The robust and mobile system helps optimize the recycling process. When it comes to safely felling large trees, a chainsaw is the top choice. With its sharp blade and powerful engine, the saw easily cuts through large trunks. Technicians use the machine with high precision, ensuring complete safety throughout the process. When it comes to efficient timber harvesting, the John Deere 640H tractor is an excellent choice. With its powerful 155 horsepower engine, the machine makes it easy to move and pull timber across difficult terrain.